My name is Ogunmodede Olasupo. Apart from selling for them, I install for them. Well, they are trying. Staff or agents, we are only batteries want more. Always want more. No matter any amount they pay, we always want more. The only thing I see there is that the payment is okay compared to what is happening, because I said earlier that this business involves a huge amount to run it. If one is not really capable, it's not something that anyhow can do. For giving a single person something worth 700,000, more than that, and we have a lot of customers like that that want to give on easy buy. So we should give kudos to them. The commission I've added to my finance now. At times I see when I want to pay because I have two of my children in Koolboks University. So when I want to pay their school fees, the commission call me at the right time, and I use it to part of the payment. So it has added. Had it been the money doesn't come in that time, I will be looking elsewhere to get that money. more than maybe close to $1 million, or more than that.